Guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a video link on YouTube on your iPhone. So first up, open the YouTube app on your iPhone and then open any video that you want to share the link of. I will just search the video.
This is official.
I will just click on this share button right under this channel section and copy link, or you can see there are a bunch of options, social platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, to which I can share the video. So in this video we are just copying link of the video. So just tap on copy link and the link to the video will be copied, and now you can paste it and send it to anywhere. As you can see, I will just paste the link to make sure it has been copied. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.